If you're a coffee lover who values convenience, reliability, and the perfect brew every morning, this Shardor Coffee Maker is exactly what you need. Designed with modern technology and features to fit into your daily routine seamlessly, this coffee maker makes brewing your favorite cup an effortless experience. Whether you prefer your coffee bold and strong or light and mild, the Shardor Programmable Coffee Maker can cater to your specific tastes while offering ultimate convenience. Why choose the Shardor Coffee Maker? We all know that coffee isn't just a drink, it's a ritual, a comforting habit that jumpstarts your day. If you're someone who appreciates a freshly brewed cup without the hassle of manual brewing methods, this coffee machine delivers convenience in every aspect. Its sleek design, combined with smart touch features, makes it not only functional, but a stylish addition to your kitchen. Here's why the Shardor Coffee Maker Programmable with Thermal Carafe should be your next coffee machine purchase. The first thing that catches your eye with the Shardor Coffee Maker is its modern, stainless steel design. Its clean lines, coupled with a touchscreen interface, give it a sophisticated, high-tech look. This isn't your average coffee maker. Its design brings a touch of elegance to any kitchen while being highly intuitive to use. The touchscreen control panel is user-friendly, offering clear, easy-to-understand settings for start times, brew strength, and more. Instead of fumbling with buttons, you can simply swipe through the options to get your preferred coffee brew started. Whether you're making coffee for yourself or entertaining guests, this machine makes the process simple and streamlined. One of the standout features of the Shardor Coffee Maker is its 24-hour programmability. Imagine waking up to the smell of fresh coffee every morning without lifting a finger. You can set the machine to brew your coffee exactly when you want it. Whether you're an early riser or someone who enjoys a cup in the evening, the programmability allows you to schedule brewing times to fit your lifestyle perfectly. Forget those chaotic mornings when you're rushing out the door. Your coffee will be ready exactly when you need it. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Shardor Coffee Maker comes equipped with an 8-cup thermal carafe, crafted from stainless steel and vacuum-sealed to keep your coffee hot for hours. No more having to reheat coffee in the microwave or letting it go cold on the counter. The thermal carafe ensures your coffee stays warm and fresh, whether you're sipping your first or 5th cup. This is ideal for households with multiple coffee drinkers, or for someone who enjoys drinking their coffee throughout the morning. The carafe's insulation technology guarantees that every cup tastes as hot and fresh as the first one. For those who are particular about the strength of their coffee, the Shardor Coffee Maker offers an easy solution. With its regular and strong brew options, you can customize the flavor and intensity of your coffee. Whether you need a strong jolt to get through the day or prefer a milder, more balanced cup, the Shardor Coffee Maker caters to your taste. This feature is especially useful if you're brewing for different preferences. No more settling for a single strength setting. You have full control over how your coffee tastes with just a few taps on the touchscreen. Another major perk of the Shardor Coffee Maker is its pause and serve function. Picture this. You're in the middle of brewing a fresh pot of coffee, but you can't wait to take a sip. The pause and serve feature lets you pour a cup mid-brew without causing any mess. Simply pause the brewing process, pour your cup, and resume brewing. It's that easy. This function is especially convenient when you're short on time or when someone in your household just can't wait for the entire pot to finish brewing. The anti-drip system ensures there's no mess on your counter, making this feature a game changer for busy mornings. Let's face it, no one enjoys cleaning up after making coffee. Luckily, the Shardor Coffee Maker is designed with easy maintenance in mind. The removable and reusable filter basket, carafe lid, and touchscreen panel make cleaning a breeze. Simply take out the filter basket, rinse it, and you're good to go for your next brew. The stainless steel exterior is also easy to wipe down, and because the thermal carafe is vacuum sealed, you won't have to worry about coffee stains or lingering smells. This coffee maker is built for hassle-free cleaning, ensuring it stays in pristine condition even with daily use. How many times have you rushed out the door only to wonder if you turned off your coffee maker? With the Shardor Coffee Maker, you don't have to worry. Its auto shut-off feature ensures the machine turns off on its own, providing both energy savings and peace of mind. Whether you're at home or headed out, you can rest assured knowing your coffee maker isn't running unnecessarily. Why it's worth the investment. The Shardor Coffee Maker Programmable with Thermal Carafe offers an incredible balance of convenience, functionality, and style. Its customizable features, sleek design, and smart technology make it a must-have for anyone serious about their coffee. You'll appreciate the ability to schedule your brews, pour coffee mid-brew without mess, and enjoy hot coffee for hours, thanks to the insulated thermal carafe. If you're ready to elevate your coffee game, the Shardor Coffee Maker is a perfect choice. With programmable features, customizable brew strength, and a sleek design that fits any kitchen, it's a machine that delivers every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.